Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing smoke detectors and the fact that they are radioactive. So some may not know that smoke detectors utilize americium-241 in their chambers. At least the ionization types do. This is what you can usually find. They're the cheapest ones. There's also photoelectric ones which utilize like a light sensor to figure out if there's smoke or not. These are not that. Radioactive smoke detectors are ion chamber smoke detectors. So I have a few different instruments here that we're going to see to measure how much radiation is emitted from the americium. So it's mostly an alpha particle emitter, so that's why we have a Ludlum Model 3 with a pancake probe, so that's able to detect alpha. We have a Radiacode 103, which is a scintillator, so it's very sensitive to gamma. And then we just have a DMC 800 traditional Geiger counter. So we'll start with the GQ. We're going to place it, so this is where the americium is. It's right inside this little ion chamber. It's called an open air ion chamber because you can see the little vents, and that's how it detects the smoke. So we're going to just try to get as close as we can to the detector. You can see it's a tiny bit above background, but this is not the best detector for it. So we're going to move on from that. And now we're going to go to the Radiacode. So background with this is a lot higher since it uses a scintillation crystal. So background in my room right now is 241 counts per minute. So we're going to put it right at the top. And you can see we're already at over almost 7,000 counts per minute. Yeah, it seems like right above it. Yeah. So obviously this one is detecting it a lot better. Because this uses a scintillation crystal. So it's a lot more sensitive to low energy gammas and all gammas. So now we're going to utilize the Ludlum probe. Okay, so we're going to put it on the 0.01 scale, and I'm going to turn it up here so you can kind of see it. It's going to be probably not going to get the best reading because of the walls around it, and alpha particles are easily stopped. But I think the highest was around 200 counts a minute, which is expected because it can't really get in there. If it could, it would measure a lot more since it is sensitive to alpha. But I definitely recommend this survey meter. This is a Ludlum Model 3 with a pancake probe, so it can detect all three, alpha, beta, and gamma. And these are probably one of the best radiological survey instruments, and they're expensive. A new one of these would be around $1,500, which is insane, but it's definitely worth it. This one I got from eBay for a very good price, so you can find them used at a little bit more affordable prices. But I definitely recommend this and the Radiacode. If you're a beginner, I definitely would recommend this because it can do gamma spectroscopy, which actually I'm going to show you that, see if it detected the americium. So this is an iPad app for it, and you can see here's the spectrum. Americium should be right there, yep. Americium is at the very beginning because it has such low energy gammas, like that's at 26 kiloelectron volts. 59 keV. But yeah, so they're all really great detectors, especially Ludlum. But hope you found this informative, and see you in the next video.